Well, I thought it was about time for us to come up with some of those songs, and these was in the 2006. May the Lord God make a way for you. Okay, and the other one was I got up this morning with my mind still on Jesus. And the last one is Awesome God we have in the world. And I think we know now that we have an awesome God who can take one house and save the peoples in there and allow the other house be destroyed because of wickedness and sinful. We have an awesome God. Same way he did the nation during Pharaoh time. Have a good day. I thought it was about time for this type of music to come out. I can't sing. I don't claim to be a singer. I don't claim this to be the top music. I was anointed when I did this in 2006. I'm glad and not ashamed. Have a good day.